Hi guys, Miss Main here with today's story, a non-fiction science book about fish. It's called Fantastic Fish. It is a 2.4 reading level and the AR quiz number is 150011. Alright, so let's learn something about fish and how fantastic they are. Has a couple of different chapters here. Just small little chapters. Chapter 1, Meet the Fish. Fish have been around for more than 450 million years. What kind of animals are right at the home in the water? The answer is fish. They feel right at home in the water. So here are some fish parts, the parts of the fish. You have the gill, the eye, the mouth, the scales, the tail, a fin, and a gill cover. This is a goldfish. Just like ponies and dogs and cats, there's different types of fish. This one is a goldfish. Fish are covered with tiny pieces of hard skin called scales. What makes a fish a fish? Fish have fins and tails for swimming. They also have gills for getting oxygen from the water so that they can breathe. Freshwater fish. So there's a brook trout, a catfish, a northern pike, and a black bass. Different fish live in different places. Some live in rivers, streams, brooks, lakes, and ponds. This kind of water is called freshwater. Then you have saltwater fish, swordfish, angelfish, clownfish, and the great white shark. Did you know that the great white shark was a fish? Some fish live in the ocean. This kind of water is called saltwater because it contains salt. There are even some fish that can live in both fresh water and salt water. That's pretty cool. Chapter 2, Fish Skills. Fish sleep with their eyes open. Black moor goldfish. How do fish survive in the water? They use their senses. Most fish have one eye on each side of their head. This helps them watch out for predators. Sharks can smell a drop of blood that is 1/4 of a mile away. This one is a tiger shark. A lizardfish swallows another whole fish. Most fish have a good sense of smell. This helps them find food. Different fish eat different things. Some munch on plants. Some eat other fish. Surgeonfish. Some schools have more than 200,000 fish in them. Many fish travel in groups called schools, a school of fish. Why? There is safety in numbers. A little fish in a big group has a better chance of surviving a predator's attack. Nearly 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. There are fish in almost all of the water. So this part right here is land, that's water. 3/4 of the earth, more than half of the earth is water. Golden damsel live in warm water. Polar cod live in frigid, which means cold water. Some fish live in warm water, other fish live in cold water. But guess what? Their bodies stay the same temperature as the water around them. Chapter 3, Amazing Fish. A dwarf goby looks like this close up. In real life, it could fit in a penny. Oh my goodness, that's how tiny it is. About as big as a penny. This is just a zoomed in picture of it. Fish come in all shapes and sizes. Some are itsy bitsy. This one is about the size of a grain of rice. A whale shark can weigh more than 3 elephants. Wow. Look at that shark compared to the man. Some fish are colossal. This one is more than 50 feet long. Wow. So colossal might be something on the quiz. What does that mean? Huge, gigantic, colossal. So there's a starry flounder, a seahorse, a pufferfish, a sea dragon, and an electric eel. Some fish are as flat as pancakes or as round as balls. Some look like snakes or horses. Some even look like dragons. There are more than 30,000 different kinds of fish in the world. But all fish have one thing in common. They are all fantastic. And those are just some of the words that we learned. Colossal means very big. A fin, freshwater, frigid means cold. Gill, saltwater, school is a group of fish, and the senses. So I hope you enjoyed today's story, a nonfiction book about fantastic fish. Listen to it 2 or 3 times, take the quiz, do great, and I'll see you tomorrow for tomorrow's story. Bye, guys.